Welcome to Tech in the Car. In this video I'm going to show you around the Radisson Blu Resort here in the Maldives. This is a beautiful resort. You can see the beaches behind me, the clear ocean as well. I'm going to show you all around this, show you what's cool, show you what's interesting, show you the rooms. This is a slight change from my normal videos, but I thought it would be a welcome change considering the weather and the situation in England. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe in this video, and let's have a look around. Let's go back in time a little bit. This is a flight over from London Heathrow to Malé in the Maldives, and this is a brand new British Airways Boeing 777-300, which is only about a month old. And this plane, being brand new and delivered during the pandemic, is a first with a totally refit new cabins, with a new first, with a new business, and with upgraded economy and premium economy. And it's a really comfortable plane, there's no doubt about that, with lots of the latest infotainment and tech on it. This is the brand new first suites. They have doors on them. This is the first plane in British Airways fleet with them. And then we have the Club Suites. Club Suites launched in 2019 on the A350, and these again are fully enclosed business class seats. They've got great service. The screens are smaller than in first, however, but there is a lot of seats on this flight and it just takes the plane to the next level. The flight time today was 10 hours and 31 minutes on BA flight 61, a total distance of 9,200 kilometers from London to Malé. And as I was coming over on the plane, you can see some of the amazing, beautiful atolls in the Indian Ocean that the flight was over. And then of course, once at Malé International Airport, you then had to get on a seaplane to get to my particular hotel, which was a Radisson Blu Resort. And these seaplanes are really cramped and really noisy, but you get to see this beautiful view over the island. And mine was the fourth on the left at the bottom there. And it was an amazing view over the hotel. After you get off that noisy seaplane, you arrive at the Radisson Blu Maldives Resort, and look at those beautiful waters, look at the sandy beaches. It just was amazing and beautiful to be there. I'm sure every island in the Maldives, it looks amazing, but this is a brand new hotel. It only opened in August, so all the facilities and everything, in fact not everything was even open because of the pandemic. Just the view coming over to the Watervilla is just, you know, it made you go wow. You can see it follows around in a big circle coming across these boardwalks, which by the way were quite wide, but I was a bit nervous. These are the upgraded accommodation, which is a villa by the beach with a pool. The standard is the Watervillas with the pool, and you can have different size ones. I believe they're available in 1 and 3 bedrooms, just like the Watervillas. And this whole thing is a resort, which is one of the great things about the Maldives. The entire islands are the resorts. You can see the swing there in the middle of the sea. And the water down here is probably up to waist height. I've seen people out there standing. Looking back towards where I came from, those are the Watervillas. My Watervilla is the fourth one along. Smaller 1 bedroom. The first 3 are all 3 bedrooms. Here's another look at the beach villas. There are loads of great options for food on the resort. This is the Eats and Beats restaurant, which also is by the main pool, which has a beautiful view over the Indian Ocean. But there's also Alafan, Crusoe and Roha, which are restaurants which are on the other side of the resort and are on separate jetties out into the sea, which are really cool, with great views, with lots of beautiful fish down below while you're eating. This is the pool. The pool is really warm actually, I think because it was right in the sun, and you can see how wonderful the view is over the pool towards the Indian Ocean. And some of these videos were shot on days when it was a bit cloudy, unfortunately, but it doesn't take away from the beauty of this place, being there and enjoying the Maldives. As you can see, it's a very, very spacious area. When you come in to the side of the door, there's a sofa, there's a table. As you walk into the Watervilla, you can see, and you've got this lovely high ceiling. As you walk in, you can see a nice big bed here with another sofa at the bottom of the bed, TV. As we come around here, we've got our coffee maker, some water, some drawers. This is your desk area, back of the bed. with a chair, your closet, lots of space in here. Come through into the bathroom. You've got a bath here. Got a very nice, large shower as well. Definitely pass a TPG shower test. And then your toilet. And all of these doors are open. Welcome outside. Here we can see a lounging area, a pool, private pool, 1.2 meters deep. Got some lounges, table and chair. Got some netting here if you want to sit over the sea. And you can see how clear the water is down here. Come over to the side here. We have some steps that you can go down if you want to get in the sea. And here we go. Here are the steps into the sea. There's 3 steps at the bottom there, so you can stand in this water and see the bottom. If we just turn a bit to the side here, that's the inside of the Watervillas, being blocked by the walkway, but you can see underneath as well here. But I mean, this water also, it's lukewarm. It's not super warm. It's not been a very sunny day today, but I had a little dip in it. It's very nice. You can wash yourself off there with a hose. And you can see it's very private. There's walls up there, fences. So that's the front of the Watervilla. Your bath here. Very, very relaxing, very spacious. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Radisson Blu Hotel in the Maldives. I hope you enjoyed all the things I got to show you and some of the trip over here as well. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know what you think of this resort. There'll be more videos coming on technology and cars as usual shortly, so don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you very much and stay safe.